Ozone generator is the perfect appliance to deal with stubborn and unpleasant odors which linger around, regardless of how much effort and which household cleaners you use. This indoor air purification machine works by releasing ozone gas into the air that outbreaks bad smells at its molecular level and changes its composition to eradicate the odor. It is capable of eradicating stale cigarettes, pet smells, mildew, smoke, and other stubborn smells. There are many products available to choose from Best Ozone Generator, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ozone generator from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Alpine Air Store Ozone Generator. If you are looking for a budget-friendly ozone generator, then Alpine Air Store is the right brand to choose from. This ozone generator can be used in rooms and cars for removing pollutants. It is capable of removing smoke, mildew, and odors. It comes with adjustable output. High is 10,000 milligrams and low is 5,000 milligrams. It comes with patent-pending quick zone change adapter. You can easily clean it without even opening the adapter. For providing extra durability, it is coated with industrial powder coating. This ozone generator is compact and portable. For easy transportation, air handling, an ergonomic handle is provided at the top. Pros. Number 2. Ethereal Digital Ozone Generator. As mentioned earlier, Ethereal has more than one heavy-duty option available. Hence, we are including one more ozone generator from Ethereal. In the second position, we have yet another heavy-duty option from Ethereal. Ethereal M810K Predicti Digital Ozone Generator is the successor for the previously mentioned Ethereal Ozone Generator with a few upgrades. It has a similar power capacity that is 10,000 milligrams per hour, and processes a similar life cycle of 20,000 hours. Although, you will notice that it has an LCD digital display on the front that can be used to control various aspects of the ozone generator. It has 5 different buttons on the control panel that will let you set up the generator in just seconds. You can also program this generator to work for 1/2 hour after the interval of 12 or 24 hours, so that you don't have to set it every other week manually. It also has 3 years of the warranty period. Pros. The warranty period is pretty long. Capacity is great. Number 3. Ivation Air Purifier and Ozone Generator. Ivation is known for its home-based appliances and life-improving products. They also have a compact ozone generator that should be looked into. Ivation 5-in-1 HEPA Air Purifier and Ozone Generator is basically an all-in-one option that can clean, freshen and filter the air from dust and airborne particles. Hence, you can get a more comfortable breathing experience in your bedroom, as well as your office cabin. It is powered by negative ion technology that releases positively charged particles for maximum effect. The multi-layer design on Ivation 5-in-1 HEPA Air Purifier and Ozone Generator delivers maximum possible purification. Along with that, number 4. Enerzen Ozone Generator. Might be a familiar name for many users, as it has produced many popular products in the past. Here is an ozone generator from Enerzen. Enerzen has created a milestone in the ozone generator market, as it has already sold over 100,000 units in the USA. It is a very high-capacity ozone generator, with an 11,000 milligrams per hour rating, that is only suitable for commercial usage. The Enerzen high-capacity commercial ozone generator uses up to 40% larger fans that distribute ozone evenly for comparatively less time. You will be getting a washable stainless steel filter on the rear side of the generator that is assured to last a lifetime, without needing any replacements whatsoever. It features a 180-minute timer with hold function if you need a longer treatment, or if you are using it for the first time. It is made up of industrial-grade aluminum alloy case with powder coating for heavy build quality. It has only a year of warranty from Enerzen. Number 5. Oderstop Professional Generators. Oderstop might be a lesser-known name in the market as of now, but we can assure you that they have a very reliable ozone generator. In the third position, we have placed the most reliable option from our list, that is the Oderstop OS906G Ozone Generator. It is a great generator for smaller spaces, as it has a capability of 900 square feet coverage area, within which it can deodorize and purify the air for maximum comfort. It also prevents mold, bacteria, viruses, tobacco smell, and various other unpleasant elements. It is also a pretty lightweight option that weighs only 6 pounds, along with a compact aluminum housing. It comes with a 2-hour timer with a hold option that can be used for a prolonged session. You will be getting a moderate capacity of up to 400 milligrams per hour. This should be enough for a small room. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more